Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. We're going to be doing the October Ipsy bag unboxing. This is what the bag looks like. Okay, just going to open that up. Okay, the first product in here is this blush. Cosmic Gangster. First we have this blush. This is Space Case in Cosmic Gangster. Just a pretty blush. Next we have an eyeshadow in here by Nomad Cosmetics. It's pretty purple. I think the color is Nordic Lights. Then we have a MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade Love Child. We've got First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And last but not least, we got a blending brush. And this is by SL Miss Glam. I actually got one of these last year too. It was pretty similar to this. It's dirty, but this is the one that I got last year. I think this was from my first Ipsy bag. And this one's a little shorter. But they both have the little stones on them. It's pretty soft. Okay, and that's it for what's in the bag. So now we're going to go ahead and try the products on. I already have like base makeup done and I got like a little bit of eyeshadow on my eyes. Okay, so since we don't really need two of those products, I'm going to go ahead and do the MAC lip gloss. This actually smells really good. Okay, then I'm going to take that Space Case blush. I'm just going to use this crown brush. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow in the purple. I'm just going to use my finger. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to apply the rest of my stuff real quick and then I'll be back to share my final thoughts. Okay, my final thoughts on my bag. Overall, I really like this bag. I feel like I got a lot of good products and I mean it was kind of exciting to see a MAC lip gloss in here. I always love getting a brush because you can never have too many brushes. I was pretty excited to actually get like purple eyeshadow, something other than brown. I think there's been like only like one other time, one to two other times that I haven't gotten like something that wasn't like brown or gold. I think the blush was very pretty, but since I also got a blush last month as well, I kind of wish I would have got something else. The last thing is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I'm actually excited to use this because I'm trying to get a good skincare routine down. Doesn't really smell like anything. And for my eyes, before I used this eyeshadow, I don't know if I said or not, I used this BH Cosmetics palette and just used this pink shade up here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe down below. Bye!